on my sunglasses so I can take a picture here.
Check your speedometer. Miles 161. Check out 73008 for corrected. Cinnamon 08. Check your 10. Check your speedometer.
So, go.
Good afternoon, boss. Update with the call. Ball squawk 1201, big squawk 1205. You're clear to taxi. Line away. 79. Thanks, Bo. Clear to taxi. Line away. Runway 79.
We got people running. Here we go. Woo! Let's go!
Taxi in tight formation, just as you will see them perform here this afternoon. This degree of precision has been a trademark of the Blue Angels since first established 73 years ago. 14 officers and 120 enlisted personnel comprise the Navy's Flight Demonstration Squadron. Pilots 1 through 4 fly the diamond formation, displaying the precision flying required of Navy and Marine Corps aviators. On the X number 5 also comes as a suit, demonstrating the maximum performance capability of the aircraft. Once again, Lieutenant Commander
Why they spread out?
Atlanta, Georgia, Blue Angel number 7 of the Bay Area Free Flight Demonstration, as well as the pilot for key influencers and media personnel who don't like flying at suicide. Blue Angel number 8, Lieutenant Commander Adam Aaron from Starksville, Pennsylvania, is the squadron's naval flight officer and events coordinator. Commander Matt Kasich from the Woodlands,
That was
Texas,
weird.
serves as the squadron football officer. And after 24 years in the Navy, has earned his well-deserved retirement. Our Marine Corps C-130 pilot is Captain Bo Maybe.
Thanks, Bo. Clear to takeoff. Zola's ready to rock. Hold tight. Pensacola, boss. Boss, we're looking for you. No way to take off. Check your
Burner's ready now.
It's actually really kind of better than what we had. We got more differences before the drink and
To the left, Captain Doyle calls. Smoke on. Off brakes now. Burners ready now. And the Blue Angel Diamond is rolling. As they pass before you, you will notice the smoke is not visible while the engines are active. experience up to 4 times the force of gravity as they complete this looping maneuver.
no choosing today.
Not today, right?
Crossing center point in the inverted position. From the left, the 4-point hesitation roll. Crossing center, and shift back into the Blue Angel diamond. Finishing with a dynamic separation maneuver. Each pilot will perform an individual brake turn and exit the flight line in a separate direction. The Blue Angel, barrel roll brake.
like she's saying, the service out here. Looks like I texted him last night before they flew. Said, hey, you want to tell boss, because I'm on the East Coast. When they, the last person before they went out, started a grass fire. In between both runners, flicker. It got bigger and bigger and bigger. And I'm like, dude, tell boss. I never heard from him because there's a grass fire out there. And then there was the shockwave set off the grass last night. I mean, bad. Set the trucks out there. I stayed over top of it. I don't remember if you remember seeing the trucks that I got a couple years ago, but they were literally 500 people only. And I've been asking ATC to call us. I'm like, can you come with it? I need to make sure we're separated. They didn't say anything. All of a sudden, they said,
The Delta is making its approach to the
3 miles
flight.
north of you. So
Approaching center
all of a
point,
sudden
the
it's like,
entire formation will separate in
quick
dramatic
calculations in my head.
fashion.
Oh, I got 3 seconds
Ladies and
to get my
gentlemen,
camera
Blue
out.
Angel Delta Breakout. Galaxy tactical jet, a propeller-driven aircraft, or a helicopter. Each requires a skill that naval aviator must master. In order to perfect this skill, Navy and Marine Corps pilots spend a great deal of time in the landing pad practicing carrier approaches. In front of you now, Captain Doyle and his wingman will demonstrate a simulated carrier pattern. Approaching the runway from the left, Captain Doyle is confirming the landing checks have been completed and each aircraft is in fact ready to land. Going out on final, they'll make constant power and line-up corrections, maintaining the optimal rate of descent for the proper touchdown.
Oh, yeah. Everyone's on the phone. I did. Nothing yet. Yesterday I didn't even hear back from him till like 8 o'clock. Yeah. I mean, if everybody kind of mentioned it earlier, I got a lot of complaints. We're going to be here for another hour. Yeah.
How rude if you don't, Sheldon.
Bless you.
The demonstration pilots you've been watching perform here this afternoon are a small part of the Blue Angels team. The men and women in blue uniforms standing before you are members of the elite Blue Angel maintenance crew. Through hard work, long hours, and unselfish dedication, they have each year for the past 73 years provided us with the aircraft availability necessary to perform each of these public demonstrations. As the aircraft taxi back, I'd like to take this opportunity to introduce the Blue Angel maintenance crew. Command Master Chief Chris Sick from West Monroe, Louisiana. Maintenance Master Chief Matthew Heath from Bradford, Illinois. Maintenance Chiefs Ismail Milan, Hillsborough, Oregon, and Aaron Sly from Ambrose, Texas. Crew Coordinator Andy T from Winfield, Kansas. Crew Chief 1 Bobby Fitzpatrick, St. Louis, Missouri. First Mech Jeremy Ray, Severn, Maryland. Crew Chief 2 Travis Bradley, DeSoto, Missouri. First Mech Mike Harwell, Westmoreland, New York. Crew Chief 3 Sylvia Tall, New Rochelle, New York. First Mech Cassie Shipper, Charlotte, Kansas. Crew Chief 4 Tommy Trown,
For another,
Texas.
how many months?
First Mech Morgan Alvarez, Owens, Louisiana. Crew Chief 5 Aldrich Kittles,
You gonna go out?
First Mech Matthew Heath, El Paso,
I'm
Texas.
trying to convince
Crew Chief
myself to go
7
out there
Nathan
one year.
Lyons,
Do it yourself. Say,
Richard Alert.